Morning garden, folks. Out here trying to clean up some of these weeds out of these trees and spray them. Got my little dormancy spray here. And look at what I noticed. Last night was 26 degrees. And I'm already getting, these trees are blossoming. This is the Santa Rose. Santa Rose. And it's blossoming out. See all the green on it? None of the other trees are doing this but the Santa Rose, to my knowledge. So I never got any fruit out of this one as of yet. I mean, it's a young tree. You can see how big it is around the waist, the trunk. I call it the waist, and look at that. It's not too much to it. This right here is got some weeds and stuff in it. You can see that the vines in it. Now I'm gonna cut them out real easy. Got a brand new pair of secateurs. And over here I can see the nests of the praying mantis, always in this tree over here. This is the Stanley. It's got a lot of spurs in it this year. Last year it didn't have that many. This other one here, I want to show you this. This is the delicious pear tree that I got from Stock Brothers. And it, this year, has a whole bunch of spurs on it. That's just one. And it's just loaded with spurs. So this tree's about 3 years old now. And you see all the vines in it and everything. So I got to clean all that out. I mean, I got some work ahead of me. But I'm glad to see these spurs because last year it didn't blossom or anything. And where I come from, the spurs mean that you're getting ready to get fruit. Don't look at the trash in the background. I got to get all that cleaned up. It's been cold in this yard. And my neighbors here, the church, it blows the trash into the yard from their dumpster. So anyway, I digress. You look at this right here. These are spurs, young ones, but But I got some fruiting spurs in this tree this year. And this right here, I thought was a Bartlett. What it produces is, it sort of sold to me, this produces a big green pear. And I don't think it's a Bartlett because none of them never got yellow. They just stay green. They're okay tasting, but not the greatest. So I figured these are not Bartletts. They sold them to me. It was a $10 tree. $10 tree, and I bought, and it's about 20 feet tall. You can see that I got to go way up here to get it. And I'm going to cut all that skywood branches down because I just don't like them all tall where I can't reach anything. I want to be able to reach everything in my tree. And I looked over here at my cherry tree, and it's doing the same thing. It's going skyward too. But it's got a couple branches. I could easily bring them back in order. I got to sharpen up my loppers to get those down. And I'm coming out here probably tomorrow. Now today I did a little bit of spraying. Tomorrow I'll do a little bit of cutting. Kind of break up the boredom. Because this is boring just spraying all these trees. I got about 25 trees. And it is boring doing it, folks. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm just holding a sprayer there, watching the droplets hit the tree limbs and going, oh God, it's got to be an easier way. All right, well, it's just a little bit of rambling on of the morning gardener. And this tree here, these are dwarfs. I meant to bring that up in case some of you don't know. And see all these little trees, these little growth around this one tree? Believe it or not, those were never there about 2 years ago. They are raspberries. And they just found their way over here and said, I'm going over here. And I didn't have a heart to move them, so I just left them there. And they do produce very well right here. So they know where they want to go at. So that's about it. This is the morning garden. Please leave comments. I'll enjoy your comments when you leave them. Some of them you watch the videos, and some of you said, I like your videos, or I learned this from your videos, or hey, by the way, I hate your videos. Whatever, just leave the comments. Hopefully it's something positive. All right now.